Do 100% LTV HELOCs really exist, or are they just a myth? Can you use a home equity line of credit to borrow against your home's entire value? This loan could open up opportunities to get more cash from your home without refinancing, but is it a good idea? Let's find out. What is a 100% LTV HELOC? A 100% LTV HELOC is a home equity line of credit that lets you borrow 100% of your home's value minus your existing loan. LTV stands for loan to value. A traditional HELOC usually allows you to borrow up to 80, maybe 85% of your home's value minus what you owe on your mortgage. For example, let's say you have a $300,000 mortgage balance and your home is worth $400,000. You could get $40,000 based on an 85% HELOC, since 85% of 400 is 340. But a 100% LTV HELOC allows you to go further and borrow up to, say, $100,000 in this example, which is the full value of your home. Do lenders really offer these? The short answer is yes, but they are rare. Most lenders stopped offering 100% LTV HELOCs after the housing crisis because, well, they carry more risk. Some credit unions and smaller regional lenders occasionally provide them, often with stricter requirements, such as higher credit score minimums, strong income and debt-to-income ratios, and membership or relationship with that institution. It's not as simple as walking into your local bank and just asking for one. You will need to do some searching to find some lenders that still provide them. And hey, real quick, if you're finding this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss future updates. And here are some of the pros of a 100% LTV HELOC. There are some good reasons why someone would want to consider this, such as access to more cash than a standard HELOC, flexibility to cover larger expenses such as home improvement, education costs, or debt consolidation, and there's no need to refinance your existing mortgage rate, which is especially appealing if you have a low rate. Now, here are some of the cons of a 100% HELOC. Because there are potential risks. You're borrowing against the full value of your home, making it potentially harder to sell. If your home's value drops, you could end up underwater. Interest rates may be higher than traditional HELOCs to offset the lender's risk, and they're not widely available, which may limit your options. Here's some alternatives to consider. If you can't find a 100% LTV HELOC or just decide that maybe it's just too risky, you may want to look at some other options. A standard HELOC, which may allow up to 85% LTV, is one. A home equity loan with fixed rates and predictable payments. Cash out refinancing if you'd like to restructure the first mortgage anyway. Or you could always sell your Beanie Baby collection from 1997 on eBay. Just a thought. Each option has its own pros and cons, so it's definitely worth comparing carefully. A 100% LTV HELOC is possible, but it's not common and it's not for everyone. Lenders that do offer them often have strict requirements, and the risk, well, they can outweigh the benefits if you're not careful. If you're considering one, make sure you fully understand the terms, think about long-term home values, and weigh the alternatives. For more mortgage and home equity tips, visit mortgageresearch.com. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to making smart choices with your home's equity.